Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable is Mr. Astri Siti Fatima, MPD, and also to my friend, as the saying goes, if you don't know someone, you can be close, a common interpretation. I am Rudy Montoji, serving as the moderator for this presentation. And we also have our team members. They are welcome to introduce themselves first. Member of Group 1, Gea Inanta Pratiwi. 2, Sahila Hilala Arofah. 3, Alia Suci Ramadhani. 4, Arti Kamila. 5, Azria Putri Sawa. 6, Kaila Jasmine. 7, Syadina Nurrahma. And 8, Rudy Muhammad Pauji. Well, let's begin the presentation with the title Economic Science. The next session will be continued by the respective team member. Please take the floor.
Article 1. Economics is often referred to as a social science that studies the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Article 2. Economics is generally regarded as a social science, although some critics of the field argue that it falls short of the definition of science or for a number of reasons, including a lack of testable hypotheses, lack of consensus, and inherent political overtones. Article 3. Economic focuses of the behavior and interaction of economic agents and how economic.
So next is similarities and difference. The first is similarities. All three articles agree that economics is social science that studies human behavior and decision making relate to good and service. So the second is difference. The first article is give a basic definition of economics. The second article is offers a critical perspective on economics as a science. The third article is provides a behavioral and functional view of how economics operates.
Why is economics important? 1. Economic influence. The economic impact on daily life includes fulfilling needs, increasing income and standard of living, creating jobs, and influencing the price of goods and services, inflation, and purchasing power. And the impact of economics have two sides. One is positive impacts, and two is negative impacts. And the simple example of economics is include production activities such as growing rice or cooking, distribution such as traders selling rice at the market, and consumption such as someone buying and eating rice at home. Next.
Main topics or key areas: macroeconomics focus on how an overall economy and market system operate and studies aggregate impacts. Macroeconomics is especially interested in nations' economic growth rates and how that growth impacts the people in the economy. Economic models are also used to forecast growth and inflation as well as to measure how government policy impacts the economy. Microeconomics studies the impacts of human behavior as well as how the decisions affect the distribution of resources throughout an economy. Microeconomics focus on how individuals make certain choices, particularly when factors such as purchase or availability trends. Next.
Factor of production. The four factors of production are land, the resource, all natural resources as in production. Labor. This is the physical and mental effort exerted by people. Capital. These are man-made goods as to produce other goods and services, e.g. machinery and equipment. And entrepreneurship. This is the ability to come to other factor of production, which is good, taking risks and innovating. Next.
Real-life example or application. The application of economic principle extends beyond academia and into various sectors of society. In government, economics issues to design and implement policies that aim to promote economic growth, stabilize price, reduce unemployment, and mitigate the adverse effects of business cycles. Economic policy decisions relate to taxation, government spending, regulation, and monetary policies have far-reaching impacts on individuals, business, and the overall health of the economy. Next.
Economics principles have real application in social life, especially in government policies, because they help achieve goals such as economic growth, price stability, employment, and business cycle balance, all of which have a direct impact on the well-being of society.
Calculus and reflection. Economy is the study of change and intersection. Economic forces on the behavior and interaction of economy against and how economic function as system, core branches, microeconomics. Analogy the basic element with economics, including individual against, household, firms, buyer and sellers. Market, the interaction and the resting accounts and microeconomy, analyzing economic as whole system covering in intersection, produce, distribution, consumption, stepping, and instrument produce. Key factor, labor, capital, land, and enterprise. Major issue inflation, economic growth, and the public policy that impact this element scope. Also seeks to analyze and describe the global economy. Next. Thank you. That handle the precision from our group with saying you and apologize if the there were an inappropriate word once again. We essentially apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.